Recently, the trunk on my BMW F10 stopped working. Whenever I press this button, absolutely nothing happens. And this may have happened to you because BMW's plastics are infamously bad and they all break just because they all break. But today, I'm gonna be replacing the trunk button on my BMW F10. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. So make sure to stick around until the end to see how it's done and of course, how it works when it's done. So let's get straight into this. That's right, the trunk button on my BMW F10 does not work. It doesn't work at all. And my key is right next to it, and this does not work at all. However, of course, with the key, works just fine. Now the problem is this, of course, the actual trunk button. I can feel it, I can't show you until I take it off, but I can feel that it is completely loose. The button inside does not actually do anything. And this is obviously in part due to BMW's terrible plastics. I don't know why they're so bad, being, you know, more so luxury cars than anything. They suck and they break and it's really annoying. If you have a BMW, you know this. All the plastics suck inside and out. It is what it is. But today I'm gonna be replacing this trunk button with this. This is, of course, a replacement trunk button, and you might be able to hear the difference. Take a listen to this right here. And take a listen to this right here. This is significantly better. Of course, it's brand new. It's much softer. It's like a nice soft rubber. This one, of course, probably was rubber, but now it's just like a hard, cheap, broken plastic. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to replace this right here with this right here. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and just pop this off, which should be pretty easy. Should be. I hope so. It never is, but let's hope so. Now what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and remove the license plate because my license plate frame will not allow the camera to come out. So I'm going to go ahead and just remove my plate real quick. Alright, now that my license plate is off, I can go ahead and supposedly I can get a flathead screwdriver or something likewise and just push it in right here and then pop off the entire assembly. Should be. Let's go ahead and try. Alright, I've got some tools. I'm going to get this little microfiber to prevent scratching of anything. So I'm going to go ahead and try to pop this side off right here. Alright, it's finally out. Of course, as you may see, I did have to remove the actual holder for the license plate because this would not come out. So I removed that, and of course this slipped right out. But here we go. This is the old one, and you can see the problem here is it is completely detached from the top. So whenever I pull it, it doesn't actually press the button. You can see there's literally like light coming through it. That's not right at all. And you can see this is a pretty, it looks just old and beat up and, well, because it is. But of course, let's go ahead and compare it to the new one. Now, here's the old one, and here's the new one. You can see they're kind of different, actually. I really hope that it does fit, because it does look like a good amount bigger. But here's the old one. Doesn't do anything, doesn't even press the button. Here is the new one. Nice and solid, has a nice click and a nice feel. Let's go ahead and start putting this back on, with, of course, putting the camera on first, and then we can go ahead and hopefully put it in. And of course, make sure to plug it in, obviously. Gotta plug it in. Well, the button does work. Wow, that actually fit in surprisingly well. Check it out. The camera is in the right spot, and the button, it works. It actually works. Now this was so easy. As y'all saw, the only thing I had to do was remove the license plate and of course get a little screwdriver, not a little, but I got a screwdriver and I of course put it in the old one and I pushed down on it. Yes, I did break it a little bit, but that's okay because I was replacing it anyway, so it's all right. It feels a little bad, of course, but it's all right. It's getting replaced anyway. But let's put the license plate back on and check it out. All right, we are finally done. Check it out. As y'all saw in the beginning, I'll play a clip of it right here. Absolutely nothing happened when you press the button. Absolutely nothing happened when you press the button. But now you can see when I press the button, wow, it opens and it looks so much better and it feels so much better as well. You can hear it as well. It's a nice solid click now. I'm really happy. I needed this because my trunk didn't open and I would always have to either use the button inside or the key button. And that got really annoying really quickly. So I had to do this, and of course I did. But of course, if y'all needed some help replacing your trunk button, hopefully this video helped. And even if you're watching just for fun, hopefully you were entertained. But that is, of course, about it. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so y'all stay notified when the next few videos come about this car. There's a lot more content coming. But thank you again so much for watching, and I hope to catch you all in the next one. Take care.